Finding the right financing for a new car can feel like navigating a complex maze. If you're looking to finance your next set of wheels, you might be wondering, can I get a car loan through Younited Credit? The short answer is absolutely yes. Younited Credit offers car loans, which they classify as a type of personal or product-specific loan. This means the loan is specifically designated for the purchase of a vehicle, whether it's new or used. What makes their process stand out is the speed and simplicity. It's a fully online application. You can complete the form, upload your supporting documents, and even sign your contract digitally from your computer or phone. One of the biggest advantages is the instant response. For loan amounts between €1,000 and €50,000, Younited Credit is structured to give you an immediate preliminary answer to your request. If your application is approved, the funds can be transferred to you in just a matter of days. The repayment periods are flexible, generally ranging from 6 to 84 months. They offer fixed interest rates and fixed monthly payments, which brings transparency to your repayment schedule. This means you know exactly what you owe each month, making it easier to manage your budget. So, if a new car is on your mind, Younited Credit provides a fast, digital path to securing the financing you need. Head over to their website to use their simulator and see what options are available for your new ride.